Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel, US Altcoins. Today we are talking about a coin that may look ordinary, but trust me, it could actually be a hidden treasure in your collection. Yes, I'm talking about the 2012 1-cent euro coin. In this video, I'll walk you through its complete history, design details, minting data, market value, the rare minting errors that make it worth hundreds or even thousands of euros, and finally, where and how you can sell it for the best price. So don't go anywhere, because by the end of this video, you'll know why this little coin is much more than just 1 cent. The 1 euro cent coin has been in circulation since the introduction of the euro in 2002. Its face value is 1 cent, and it's made of copper-plated steel. The diameter is about 16.25 millimeters, thickness around 1.67 millimeters, and it weighs approximately 2.30 grams. The reverse design was created in 1999 by Luke Likes, featuring a globe, the Eurozone map, and 12 stars. The obverse side, however, changes from country to country. For example, Italy, Germany, Spain, and Austria each have their own national design. Now let's focus on the 2012 minting. Italy struck more than 217 million coins, including 25,000 brilliant uncirculated and about 3,990 proof coins. Germany produced hundreds of millions from different mints like Berlin, Hamburg, Munich, Stuttgart, and Karlsruhe. Austria also released over 169 million coins with the Alpine gentian flower design in circulated condition. Most of these 2012 coins are worth very little, basically their face value or maybe up to $1 on platforms like eBay or Etsy. But here's where things get exciting. Certain rare minting errors can skyrocket their value. For example, the famous Mole Antonelliana error from Italy, where the 1 cent was mistakenly struck with the design that actually belongs on the 2-cent coin. These error coins have sold for 2,500 euros to 3,000 euros, and one even reached 6,600 euros at auction. Another example is the one-sided strike error, where only one face of the coin was struck while the other side is completely blank. That type of coin has been sold for around euro 550. Other errors like mule strikes, clipped blankets, or excess material also exist, and their prices depend on rarity and condition. So, where can you sell them? The best platforms are eBay and Etsy, where you can list coins for auction or buy it now. Collectors, forums, and specialized numismatic marketplaces are also great, because enthusiasts there are willing to pay more for rare pieces. If you are in the USA or Europe, coin shows, coin shops, and auction houses are also strong options. Just remember, a normal 2012 1-cent euro coin won't make you rich, but if you're lucky enough to have an error coin or a proof version, its value can be many times higher. Friends, that was the complete breakdown of the 2012 1-cent euro coin, its history, minting details, errors, and market value. If you ever find one in your collection, make sure you check it carefully, because it might just be worth thousands. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming videos on rare and valuable coins. I'm your host from US Altcoins, and I'll see you next time with another amazing coin story. Until then, take care and goodbye.